Hey everyone, in this video we will see how to check in Air New Zealand. You can check in for your flight before you leave for the airport. You can check in with the AirNZ app, go contactless, and save time at the airport. Check in on the go and stay updated with real-time flight info. Then online check-in is open 24 hours before the scheduled departure of your flight. Once you have checked in online, you are unable to cancel your check-in. If you have checked in and you do not plan to fly, please contact them. If online check-in is available for your flight, you will need to ensure you have all the visa entry and border declarations required for your flight. If online check-in is not available for your flight, check-in will need to be manually completed at the airport. Make sure you give yourself plenty of time at the airport to complete the check-in process and clear security. You can still choose your seat when you check in online or on your mobile. You can print it at home or at the check-in kiosk at the airport. If you're in New Zealand, they can scan your email boarding pass from your phone. If you're checking in bags, head straight to a kiosk to print out your bag tags when you arrive at the airport. Then take your bags to the bag drop. If you're unable to check in online, your itinerary may include a flight not operated by Air New Zealand. Your passport details may not be up to date, and you may not have the necessary visas. You may be trying to check in an unaccompanied minor, and there may be operational issues. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe.